Okay, welcome back. Now we're just going to name this frequency here. As you can see here, it's on channel 3. This is the Bristol repeater. So what we're going to do is go ahead and press the F, hold down the F key. Okay, now we're going to scroll down to 11. We're going to name it. You just turn the dial. Press P5. That takes you to the next letter. And if you want to go back, press the P3 button. Okay, now we'll just press the P3. Now we want to go up, or press the P4 button. Okay. Now we want to go to 26. It says display frequency, display channel, display name. Display channel, P4. There it is. And then when I key up on the freak,
KE4CCB repeater system.
this current repeater is about 71 miles away. I'm hitting it at 25 watts. But let's say you just want to have your channel and then the name. Same thing. You just go and hold down the F key and you just scroll it over to name. Now you have your channel and your name there. That's all you have to do. And if you want to switch back to the frequency, you go back and you just press down the F key and scroll over to frequency, hit P4. Now you have your frequency. Just hold P3 to go back into memory mode, and there's your frequency, 146,700. That's Bristol repeater. There you have it. Just simple way to put your names in the TYT TH9000. Alternate, you can have it strictly the name, channel and name, or the frequency. Have a great day.